Hello everyone, let's learn how to deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. Whether you need a break from social media or want to take a hiatus from Snapchat, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the deactivation process with ease. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, make sure is your Snapchat app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update app. After that, open Snapchat app on your device. And next, go on your profile by tapping on this little icon in top left corner of the screen. Now you are on your profile and you need to go on Settings button in top right corner of the screen. That will open a side menu with a lot options, and next scroll down to Support section and click on I Need Help option. Now you are on Snapchat Support menu, and then go on Search bar and you need to type a deactivate. Now you will see how do I delete my Snapchat account written in blue letters, but don't worry, we will not delete Snapchat account, that is only process to deactivation. So now click on it. Next, scroll a little down to see accounts portal written in blue lettera, and then click on that. This option is for delete Snapchat account, and when you delete you have 30 days to reactivate your account, and on that way you are deactivate Snapchat account. That process you can repeat and deactivate account on long period, so enter password and confirm you want it, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.